Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Official Monte Carlo pace car here. Kick off the day, clean up Mom's car. A lot of dust been blowing around on it. Get that off of there. Then go get my two and maybe my neighbor's. Man, by the time I got back with that car, a bird had crapped on it. So now I'm going to take my neighbor's car, get it clean. Then I'll clean Queen Bee, and if I got time, I'll clean Panther. If I don't have time, I'll clean the Panther tomorrow. Alright. Have my neighbor's car cleaned up, get it dried off, and get the Panther up here. I don't know if I could wash Queen Bee. It's got that windowsill removed for that window tint. Now this is interesting. I come out to my car and somebody has laid a coil under my car. I don't think that was there yesterday. And I don't think it's not anything I need. Sure the heck ain't come off my car because mine are blue. Wow, what madness is this? Blue. Blue. I don't know what that's off of, somebody's truck. I'm going to use my new vacuum cleaner, vacuum out Mom's car. Also need to get the glass out of that thing. Swinging by the junkyard, grab a quick part. I checked out a friend of mine's Toyota Solaris convertible. I guess it is an 05 model. It has some kind of traction control warning light on. Then it had a bunch of emission codes. Well, she had her gas cap totally off. So that would account for probably all the emission codes. And other than that, there was a few.
Ooh, I already came in.
Something about an ABS code or something. Wow. Looked like somebody's 93 240 got crunched. That'll be out here Monday. Brand new tire in the back is maybe a spare. So sad. They probably could have fixed that. That would have buffed out. But let me go out here and see if I can find this 850 trim, see what else they've dropped the last 3 days. Hadn't been out here. Viewers across the pond asked me to get some parts off of this 92 960. He said something about some parts in the rear suspension. I don't know what exactly, but maybe he can tell me some more about that. Few interior parts he wanted. And he asked about these coils. The coil is here, but somebody cut the harness off already. So that's gone. And it looks like 4 coils here. Other than that, I don't remember what else he wanted. I'll try to look at the list. Go from there. This car came here with some damage. About at least 6 times a day, I get a message. Hey Robert, how do I do this? How do I do that? Do you have a video for this? Do you have a video for that? Man, you want to save yourself some time? Learn how to use the search feature. I gotta send this video out about 12 times a day called How to Find a Robert DIY Video. Search that one and learn how to search the rest of them. Save yourself some time. You ain't gotta wait for me to respond. And save me time from searching it. If I'm driving or something like that, I'm not gonna be messing with my phone trying to kill myself to find a video for you. So figure out how to use that video and search out the videos you need. 2002 Volvo Cross Country has a third row seat back here, and it's got a tow hitch, Volvo tow hitch, and a harness connection thing there. I don't know if this is worth somebody's time or not. If so, let me know. I'll help you out if I can. I have 240 dash is cracked. Of course it is. Looked like it had 210 on it. Had a couple of halfway decent door panels. Passenger seat's not destroyed, but the driver's seat is. I don't know if it's got anything else on it that anybody want to come get. But here it is. 85 240. Somebody a couple of days ago wanted to know how to take this trim off. These Volvos that go across the roof line, doors and windows. All this stuff just pops right off. It's better if you start at the front. Put something here so you don't crack your glass. Pry that trim piece up until you undo the snap. So let me see if I can get that loose. You hear the snap pop. The problem is, I don't know if you can get this stuff off without breaking the clips. It's like this for almost every model. And just go across the top. Put your rag or something there to stop it from breaking or scratching the car. And just work your way all the way back, popping those clips off until you get it all the way loose. So there you have it. That trim is off, and you got another piece here. Heck, I was able to pull that one up with my finger. You want to try not to break it, but I don't know if there's a certain way to do it without breaking. So you might have to get another clip from the dealer somewhere to replace them. So when you get these, you just slide them down and pop them off. They got a little release tab in them. Slide them, get a little screwdriver, put it under that release tab, and take them off one at a time to replace them if they break. That 70 still looks like it's got a manual transmission. Doesn't look like nobody's taking that shit. The roof trim on these S70s and 850s, just put your finger under them and pop them up. They're even easier than the other ones. Just try not to bend them as you get them off. But anyway, they come off just like that. If you bend them, it's hard to get them straight again. Just don't crease them. And the pieces in here, you bump them with a screwdriver, bump them up, and they come right out so that you can replace these things if you need to. Here's an S40. Other than that bolt being right there, this probably comes off the same way. Find the snaps, bust the snaps loose, and lift this trim off all the way across the top. This 5 Series BMW the same way. Get something under there, pry it all the way across, and you got it off in your hand. Well, that's it for me. I'm out. I gotta go ship a couple of things off, and I may be headed out of town. I'll post a video tomorrow for sure. Catch you later. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.